Hi everyone, the Pokeslav's here today alongside with AuraSphereTCG.
Hi guys.
His link to the channel will be down below, and today we're gonna be opening the Shrouded Fable ETB. Can you tell us a little bit more what's inside?
In the ETB we get 9 packs of Shrouded Fable, we also get a promo card, sleeves, damage counters, condition counters, and we'll also be having a pack battle, so join us for the fun.
So, those were our hits. I think we were pretty tight.
Yep.
And most of all, I'd like to mention the new energies, right?
Yeah, I really like the pattern, it's nice. If you ask me, it's probably one of the nicest energies we have right now. I think the ones from 151 are as good. So, looking forward to getting more of them.
Yeah, I agree. But since we were pretty much tight, we'll let the die roll decide.
Who opens the last pack?
Exactly. That's theirs.
Tails never fails.
That's right. So, the last pack was pretty much empty, but anyway, thanks for watching, thank you so much for joining me today,
Thank you for having me.
and links to his channels will be in the description down below.